Are you worried about how your travels might be harming the environment? You're not alone. Many of us want to explore the world without leaving a negative impact behind. The good news is that eco-friendly travel is the solution. In this video, we'll show you how to travel sustainably, from choosing the right destinations to packing smart and supporting local communities. If you care about the planet and want to make your trips more responsible, this video is for you. Make sure to watch until the end for all the tips you need to start traveling greener. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos on sustainable living. Plus, share this video with your fellow travelers to spread the word. Let's get started. 1. Why eco-friendly travel matters. Traditional travel often leaves a heavy mark on the environment. Airplanes, cars, and other forms of transportation produce large amounts of carbon emissions, contributing to climate change. Popular tourist spots can also suffer from over-tourism, where too many visitors put pressure on local resources, damage natural sites, and disturb wildlife. This kind of impact not only harms the environment but also disrupts the balance of ecosystems, making it harder for animals and plants to survive in their natural habitats. Eco-friendly travel offers a solution by promoting ways to explore the world that are gentler on the planet. By choosing sustainable options, such as using public transport, staying in eco-friendly accommodations, and respecting local cultures and nature, travelers can reduce their carbon footprint and help preserve the beauty of the places they visit. Responsible travel practices protect natural habitats and ensure that wildlife can thrive, allowing future generations to enjoy these wonders as well. Making small changes in how we travel can have a big impact on the world, helping to keep it beautiful and vibrant. 2. Planning your sustainable journey. When planning a sustainable journey, it's important to start by choosing destinations and accommodations that prioritize the environment. Look for places that are committed to sustainability, such as eco-friendly lodges, green hotels, or Airbnb options that focus on reducing their environmental impact. These types of accommodations often use renewable energy, recycle waste, and support local communities, making them a better choice for eco-conscious travelers. Transportation is another key part of sustainable travel. Opt for environmentally friendly methods like public transportation, biking, walking, or carpooling whenever possible. These options not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also allow you to experience a place more authentically. If flying is necessary, consider booking direct flights to minimize emissions from takeoffs and landings. Additionally, try to fly less by choosing destinations closer to home or combining trips. By making mindful choices in how you travel and where you stay, you can significantly reduce your environmental impact while still enjoying new and exciting experiences around the world. 3. Packing for an eco-friendly trip. When packing for an eco-friendly trip, it's important to keep things simple and choose reusable items. Start by packing light, as carrying less luggage can reduce the amount of fuel used in transportation. Bring along reusable essentials like a water bottle, cloth bags, and eco-friendly toiletries. These small changes can make a big difference in cutting down waste during your travels. Avoiding single-use plastics is another key step in traveling sustainably. Instead of disposable items, opt for alternatives like stainless steel straws, bamboo cutlery, and reusable food containers. These choices help reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills or polluting the environment. By being mindful of what you pack, you can significantly reduce your impact on the planet. Every small effort to cut down on waste while traveling contributes to a healthier and cleaner world, making your trip more sustainable and responsible. 4. Supporting local communities. Supporting local communities is an important part of eco-friendly travel. When you shop locally and support small businesses, you're helping to boost the local economy and keep traditions alive. Buying local products and eating at local restaurants not only gives you a more authentic experience, but also reduces the carbon footprint that comes from importing goods. This way, you contribute directly to the livelihoods of the people who live in the places you visit. Respecting local cultures and traditions is just as important. When you travel, it's essential to be aware of the customs and practices of the local people. Showing cultural sensitivity means learning about and respecting their way of life, which helps foster mutual understanding and respect. Responsible tourism involves more than just visiting a place. It's about leaving a positive impact. By being mindful of how your actions affect the local community, you help preserve their culture and environment, making travel beneficial for everyone involved. 5. Responsible wildlife tourism. Responsible wildlife tourism means choosing experiences that respect and protect animals. It's important to avoid attractions where animals are exploited, such as places that offer rides on elephants or allow tourists to hold wild animals for photos. These activities often involve harmful practices that can cause stress or injury to the animals. Instead, seek out ethical wildlife experiences, like visiting sanctuaries where animals are cared for in a safe and natural environment. When booking tours, look for those that prioritize conservation and the well-being of wildlife. Eco-friendly tours are designed to minimize the impact on animals and their habitats, ensuring that future generations can enjoy them too. Supporting these kinds of tours helps protect wildlife and preserves the natural beauty of the areas you visit. By making thoughtful choices, you can enjoy the wonders of nature without causing harm, contributing to the long-term health of the planet and its diverse species. Responsible tourism not only enriches your travel experience, but also plays a crucial role in safeguarding wildlife for years to come. 6. Leave no trace. Following the principles of leave no trace is essential for anyone exploring nature. These guidelines help ensure that the beauty of natural areas is preserved for future visitors and wildlife. One of the key principles is to minimize your environmental impact. This means being careful about how you interact with the environment, such as staying on designated paths to avoid damaging plants and soil. When hiking or camping, be mindful of where you set up your camp, and always try to use established campsites to prevent unnecessary harm to the surroundings. Responsible behavior also includes picking up any litter you come across, even if it's not yours. Carry a small bag with you to collect trash, and make sure you pack out everything you bring in. This simple act helps keep natural areas clean and safe for wildlife. Additionally, avoid disturbing animals or plants, and try to leave everything as you find it. The goal is to leave no trace of your visit, so the next person can enjoy the same pristine environment. By following these practices, you play a vital role in protecting nature and ensuring that it remains unspoiled for everyone to enjoy. 7. Offsetting your carbon footprint. Carbon offsetting is a way for travelers to balance out the carbon emissions they create, especially from activities like flying. The idea is to invest in environmental projects that reduce or remove an equivalent amount of carbon from the atmosphere. For example, by supporting tree planting initiatives or renewable energy projects, travelers can help counteract the emissions caused by their flights or other activities. This way, even if you can't avoid producing carbon, you can still do something positive to help the environment. There are several ways travelers can participate in carbon offsetting. Many airlines and travel companies now offer options to calculate your carbon footprint and donate to offset projects when you book a flight. You can also seek out organizations that specialize in carbon offset programs and make a direct contribution. Beyond offsetting, it's important to be mindful of your overall carbon footprint while traveling. This includes choosing more sustainable transportation options, such as trains or buses instead of planes, and staying in eco-friendly accommodations. Reducing energy usage and waste during your trip also plays a crucial role. By being aware of your impact and taking steps to reduce it, you can travel more responsibly and help protect the planet for future generations. As we wrap up, remember that every small step towards eco-friendly travel makes a big difference. By making mindful choices, you help protect our planet and ensure that future generations can enjoy its beauty. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and share it with your friends who love to travel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on sustainable living and travel. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your eco-friendly travel tips, or let us know where you're planning to go next. Together we can make a positive impact on the world, one journey at a time. Thanks for watching.